Welcome back to Facebook Mastery, where today we're going to learn how to create a poll on your page. Now first, go to your Facebook page. Now click on Create Post on your Facebook page. Now, find the poll button right under here. After that, click the question that you want to ask. In this case, I will just put, will we ever get to Mars? Okay, done. On the first option, I'll put hell yeah, to make it sound a bit more creative at least. And the second option, I'll put heavens no. Alright, now that's done. Okay, after that, this option will allow you to choose how long the poll will last. In this case, I'll just put 1 day, I guess. When that's done, click Publish. And then, as you can see, here's your poll. Now, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.